Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. It's time to update the market and we are seeing a decent pump in the market and we do a multiple time frame analysis. However, before we start, if you get a value from this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it. Starting from a lower time frame, on the 24th and 25th, I made an update that the levels has been given above 26,500 target price all the way up 27.2. However, below 25,900 below, well, it may go all the way up to 25 and 24,800 level, where we had the important levels on that level. So as you can see, we didn't get below this level. We've been in this range. All the wicks closed above to the dollar. Last time retested today morning, and we started seeing a decent pump in the market. So we had a breakout level where you can see that was on the lower time frame. By the way, you can take it trade between 5 to 15 minute time frame. And there was a confluence, as you can see, with a smart money line that I'm going to cover in a minute, above at around 26,300 plus. That was a level 26,500, and based on a lower time frame, as you can see, perfect breakout, retest nearly to the support level, and we saw decent pump in the market, and we're getting rejection right from the smart money line. That was a perfect entry, as you can see, at around this region all the way up to 27,200. Easy 3+ R on this trade. And that was a scalping. Let's jump into a weekly time frame. And at the moment, BTC struggled. As I said, as long as we stay below $32,000, and we had a trend change at around $30,400, and we saw a decent dump in the market. Important level is going to be 23,300 and 500. At the moment, as you saw from the smart money line, we're going to cover under mid time frame. We might see a rejection at around here. And important level, as I said, 23,500 and $24,000 levels are extremely important under higher time frame. This was an accumulation zone, as I said, above 18,000 and 18,500. First target level 30,000, followed by all the way up to 32 and $36,000. However, $18,200 and $500, we saw massive 75% pump in the market. Daily exit was at around $28,500 and $28,300, and we saw 55% profit for the spot back holders. And moving on to a daily time frame. On the daily time frame, as soon as we lost this region, which was 28,500 and 300, we saw massive dump in the market. I warned in every single video. So at the moment, as long as we're going to be below 28,200, as well as this next point of control, which is relevant at around 28,600, as you can see, there is this level, and where we've got untapped liquidity at around here. And as I said, this region is extremely important, heavy resistance based on a daily time frame, and we might see this type of price action in the coming days. And losing this level based on a higher time frame, 24,300, that will take us all the way up to, in the first place, $22,300 and $22,500, where we have daily next point of control, plus we've got a monthly next point of control at the same time. However, based on a support resistance, you can see at around, again, $23,000 and $23,500, we've got another important level alongside with the MPOC. As you can see, we've got at around $23,500 and $23,000. We've got weekly as well as the monthly levels as well in this region. On the higher time frame, if we're going to see this type of price action, and I will pay attention how we're going to react at around from this region. So based on the daily time frame, we can see a clear picture on the 13th of January within the single daily candle above 19,200 and 500. We had the first pump, V-shaped recovery, and we reached the target number 1, 30,000, followed by target 2, which was at $32,000, and we had a massive pump all the way, again, nearly 5% pump with an exit from $28,500 and $300. We saw 55% profit for the spot back holders, and that was for the long-term players. Before we move on, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on with a BNB analysis on the mid time frame, 230 all the way up to 240 levels are extremely important. Highly likely that we will see a rejection from this level, and at the moment, at the same time, we've got a confluence, as you can see, with the upper line of this system, which is a green line, And as I said, 230 all the way up to 240 is an exit level. I'm expecting this type of price action in the first place, 205 all the way up to, if we're going to clear this level, then the next level is going to be $285. As you can see, as soon as we had a trend change at around $240, we saw massive dump in the market, and as soon as we claimed this red line, and we're seeing decent pump for the scalpers. As I said, this is extremely important, 230 all the way up to 240. Without claiming 245, this level, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. For those who are interested on a higher time frame, I made a post on the 22nd, and you can refer to my tweet. If you're not following me, you can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. ETH analysis. Ethereum under higher time frame, heavily under the bearish control, and we're at a resistance at the moment. As you can see, we've got weekly plus daily. As soon as we had a trend change at around 1930 and 40 levels, we consolidated a bit and we had a decent dump in the market. If we're going to have a look based on a system we're approached already to smart money line and struggling, without claiming 1850, 1825, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bearish scenario. So I'm expecting a rejection between 1730 all the way up to 1800 levels are crucial. If we're going to see a rejection from these levels, 1550 target number 1, 1450 is going to be target 2, all the way up to 1300, and the last target level is going to be 1200 levels. And recap from the recent videos, as soon as we had a trend change at around 1830 and 50, a bit of consolidation, and we cleared target number 1 as well as target number 2 all the way up to 1550 target number 3, and we had massive 20% dump in the market. BTC under 4-hour time frame. So as I said, $27,500 all the way up to $28,400 are extremely important. As you can see, we've got golden pocket, and plus if we look for the confluence, at the moment we're at a smart money, and without claiming this green line plus this daily as well as the weekly, which is going to be 29,300 and 500, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. However, as I said, if we're going to see a rejection right from here, the target number 1 is going to be 25,700, and then these are the target levels that you have to keep an eye on. And we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.